Hi, I'm Zayro and you're watching Disney Channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Zayro and I am back with another freaking video. This video, as you can see and tell by the title, this is a Disney Channel makeup tutorial. Just give y'all a minute to look at it. Like, I finessed it. And that's just that on that, period. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. Y'all already know what I'm about to tell y'all. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And we're gonna get right into this video. So I had to go ahead and start out with an outline. I used just some regular brown eyeshadow from a Morphe palette. I'd rather do it this way than starting off with the white, because the way I messed up with this, I would have been pissed. Like, there would have been no going back if I didn't do an outline. I was surprised I even kept going because I was really gonna stop. Like, it was given wipe it all off and that's that. But I'm like, you know what? I could fix it. And I'm actually proud of myself because I cleaned it up with the white liner and it started, like, I started seeing my vision. I'm like, okay, we getting somewhere. So all I did was just trace out my outline with the white liner, and then I started adding my neon colors. My vision for these colors were for them to blend together and for it to look nice. This pink and orange together, I think those two was my fave. Like, talk about pigment, talk about bright. Like, I went ahead and did the neon yellow onto the lime green, and that was perfect already. From the lime green, I went to the blue, and from the blue, I went to the purple. The purple wasn't as like pigment, it was very see-through, as you can tell with the blue. Like, they both were see-through because you can still see the white line, but that wasn't no major issue at all. I went back and did a second layer of all the colors to make it more like look like it was glowing, and it did just that. So instead of using a brush this time, I went in with the liner bristle because it was very fine and thin. Like, I didn't want any more thick lines. I wanted it to be very like straight, small as it can be, and I feel like I did just that, or close to what I wanted. So I was happy with, like, even just adding the liner on top, it still make it look like it's glowing. Like, my vision was really coming together, y'all. Like, y'all don't understand. I was so excited. Like, I was really proud of myself. Like, y'all gonna see that in a few seconds. Like, had to hype myself up, all of that. Like, that was that. Look, you did that, bitch. I went ahead and started adding dots around the colors from the inside and the outside, because I felt like that added more to it. Like, that was my stars look. Like, that was the little poof that it needed. The finished look that you guys are about to see had big stars. That was a trial and error. I couldn't show you guys that because if I would have messed up, I would have been pissed and y'all would have never seen this video. Like, but I'm glad it came out bomb. So y'all look, just look, boom, go. Okay guys, I am back and your girl looks bomb. Shitting me. I'm really like so happy I really went out on a limb and did this, because I feel like I waved it. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Tear. My hand, this shit won't come off, so I can only imagine trying to take this off my face. But no biggie. My hand looked like this, so my face could look like this. Period. The neon colors I got, I'm going to put the link of the website in the description bar because I cannot think of it on the top of my head right now. Like, I'm really so proud of myself. Y'all don't even understand. Like, your girl's not an artist, so if you see something is wrong, keep it to yourself. Okay? I'm just really trying to get all lighting for y'all. Like, real bright, dim, darker, like, ooh. Shitting me. Come on. Sickening. Period. If you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did making it, I want you to tap that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already. Comment and share. And best believe I'll catch you guys in the next video.